back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. So let's straight get into the recipe for the day, which is your kimchi pancakes. Now kimchi is a Korean pickle and I've shared a wonderful recipe for the same on my channel, which I shall link at the end of this video and also in the description box. So go ahead and make that kimchi followed by these pancakes, or else you can simply get your ready-made kimchi from the store. But make sure to make these pancakes because they're absolutely yummy and apt for the rainy season. So let's get started. So let's make our kimchi pancake batter first, for which in a bowl I'm going to add a cup of kimchi, two tablespoons of kimchi juice, half teaspoon of gochujang or Korean chili paste, a tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped white onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped green onion. To this I'm going to add half a cup of flour. So here I'm using a mix of whole wheat flour and rice flour, some Himalayan pink salt to taste, a tablespoon of unrefined raw sugar, and a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Now we can mix this into a batter with the help of some water. And our batter to make the kimchi pancakes is ready. So to make the pancakes, here I'm using a non-stick pan. And to this I'm going to add some oil. It's important to use a non-stick pan and also add some oil to it to make these pancakes, or else it can be quite a task while flipping them. So once our pan heats up, I am going to pour a ladle full of the kimchi pancake batter to make a mini pancake. Spread it evenly. Let this cook for a few minutes on slow to medium heat. We can then flip the pancakes. Some more oil and let these cook for a few more minutes. Once done, we can flip it one more time and let it cook for another minute or two. Once done, we can remove them. So we can repeat this procedure for making all the pancakes. And our amazing kimchi pancakes are done. These are so savory and delicious. They're amazing just by themselves. If you like, you can also enjoy them with some soy sauce. That's it guys for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and this video. Please go ahead and like, share, subscribe if you did, and I'll see you next time.